Hello, beautiful people. I am in a moment of presence here, in a moment of crossroads in my life. I don't know what to do next. Maybe I will discuss this further with you. Sorry, by the way, that you cannot see my eyes. I hate it when people cannot see my eyes and I'm talking to them, but it's sunny and I need to protect my eyes from the sun. It's a very nice area. I thought of sharing this with you. If you like walking or driving, touring with the motorcycle, it would be extremely beautiful, and I think this is an area not many people know about because, well, I'm in Italy, close to a small city called Biella, and I only see mostly Italian motorcycle riders, so I believe it's an area of discovery. I actually don't know the name of this place, but maybe I can tell you the name very soon. This is the Alps, so Biella is actually on the other side, but this side I don't know. Well, probably behind me will be the border of Switzerland, but let me show you. Actually, there's a small map over here behind me. I will show you where this location is. I will also write the location, the exact point I'm shooting this video from, maybe for you driving lovers or riding lovers, even with the bicycle, not just motorcycle. I will leave a point in the description so you can visit yourself. Let me switch to the other camera. Well, here it is, whilst listening to the very beautiful sounds of the trees and the extremely nice view here. You can see the snow at the top, beautiful clouds. A true moment of presence. I really enjoy these moments. It's moments where there's no hustle and bustle around, just quiet, just yourself and nature. It's the most beautiful experience. I can never get enough of this. Well, here is the map. We are here, so the place probably is called Sessera, Panorama dell'Alta Val Sessera. So here you can see Biella, right? And it's somewhere up here. From Biella you have a very nice road, always uphill, maybe about 30 to 45 minutes. This is all Alps mountain range. It's all a beautiful area to explore. Yeah, very nice area. This is a view of the mountain ranges. I'm trying to see if there's the border of Switzerland somewhere. It's also close to Aosta, which is this is Biella, and Aosta is further to the left and up. That's Lago di Geneva. France over here. All this area, most of you already know, is all Alps. Here you have the all this area is all Alps, and here you have the um, particular mountain ranges called near Bolzano Dolomiti. A very particular set of ranges, mountain ranges, with like beautiful cliffs. I have another video of that from March this year. I did a short holiday over there. Anyway, it's a very beautiful area to explore. Enough of my talking and some beautiful scenery. Bye, and let me know if you have any questions or would like to see more videos of these. It's a nice valley down there. By the way, Biella is there on the other side. Going further up because people are passing. Okay. People just coming from a walk. You can go for a walk there. I think I will come again in a few days and do some walking over here. It's beautiful. And you can also walk from these two paths here. Actually, that's where I'm going for a short walk. Bye.